Hey, what's up, Chiliz Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Chiliz latest price, my friends. What's the current price of Chiliz? What's the price changes occurring in Chiliz? In this video, I will share the latest update. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now this time the latest price of the Chiliz in the market is 0.254586 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Chiliz. And on the other side, if we talk about the changes occurring in the Chiliz, so now the last 1 hour change is negative, 1 day change is positive, and 1 week change is also positive, my friends. So the changes is going good in the Chiliz, my friends. But you know what, in the last hour the changes of the Chiliz is negative, so I'm worrying about that. My friends, that's a temporary fast. Now I'm sure about that. You can see here, my friends, if you look the price chart of the Chiliz, so absolutely, my friends, you can see the price in some time. Just look here and here. On this time the price falls down for some time, and after some passage of falls, the price again pump. So don't worry about this kind of jumps, my friends. I'm sure about Chiliz, they continue this jump for a long time, my friends. To the last of this month they also continue this jump, my friends. So don't worry about this, my friends. And positive 7.42% the changes occur in the Chiliz in the last 1 week. 0.259836 USD dollar is the highest price of the Chiliz, and that is the current live price of the Chiliz in the market, my friends. So my friends, on the currently updates, I recommend for all of you to please invest more in the Chiliz. And if you are holders, so please hold to the last of month. If you hold to the last of this month, so you get profit, not loss. I'm clear about that. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.